Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at the allotment. This is filmed on a Thursday because I'm going in hospital tomorrow. So I've just come down to give my things a water because I don't want them drying up. And I'll just give you a quick rundown of what's going on. This is a volunteer callaloo plant. This is a Jamaican one. I don't know where that come from. Just growing in the path, and my melons there. My flowers are looking a bit worse for wear, and I've got some sugar baby melons there what's nicely running, and I've got some geraniums and begonias at the top. That's my rhubarb. I've still got some to take off of it. My roses are looking nice still. My potato buckets are looking like they're all ready. These are the first earlies. I emptied one, got 1.5 kilos I think it was. So there's potatoes in them. Some more of my roses at the back there. This is all mint up here, what I've got to sort out when I get a chance. Coming round. Sorry for the noise in the background and everything. I have to film this on my phone. This is one of my flower displays. I can see my shadow in there as well. Sorry about that. And another one of my other flower display. Some more potato buckets up there. I've got some spinach and broccolis in here. Something's starting to munch on them. I've got to check what that is. Got a lily what's coming up there. I've got a couple of cucumbers there to harvest. My cho-cho plant is just I don't know if it's going to survive or what, but we'll see, because I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's just something in this plot here what's not working right. Got some more broccolis in here. So they're starting to come now, and some spinach and some drummed cabbages. Got some more my flower displays, my lilies. You can see these are displayed now. Done their job. Still got this spinach in here to sort out. Got my kohlrabis in this bed, and some okras what I planted. My thyme, I harvested a lot of that and it's still coming. Sunflowers are in here as still. I haven't taken them out yet, but once I get a chance I'll put them out so I can get this bed to sort out. Carrots are, I don't know what's happening with carrots. The first time I planted them and they've done that. Everything looks leaned over because I just watered. These are my beetroots, maybe a couple of parsnips there. My peppers are on the shelves. There's all my peppers. That's my melons over the back there running and everything. Got a nice pepper down here. Well, I've used this bed. I put all my spare melons in there. You can see they're running and flowering. My fever grass is up there. Some more peppers on the shelf. My Scotch bonnets. See, they're coming along nicely now. So got some cabbages and that in here. More spinaches and lettuces in this bed here. marigolds what's dried up as usual. I don't know what's wrong with them this time. Right, so which way am I going now? So I'm outside of my plot now. Got some more flower displays out here. Hanging baskets. And potatoes. This bed here has got all my peas in there. You can see it's really gappy and everything, but they're starting to run and everything, so that's it. This is another my flower display box, what I've done to attract the bees over there. This plant here keeps coming up every year. I thought I got the root out and I never. So sunflowers what's come up outside. I thought I wasn't going to get none outside, but they've come up and done their thing. So right, this is a bed of cabbages, spinach and beetroots. My corn. I don't know if this video is going to be alright or if it's going to be dark, but this is my corn. I'll show you. And as you can see, we've got straw, corn straw out already, which I don't know if it's bolted. So if it's bolted, I don't know. My strawberries, it's doing okay. Got these corns what I planted out. You see some of them are surviving and some's leaned over. I'll come up this way. This is my pumpkin patch, I'll call it. You can see, can't see none of the ground now or anything. And I'll see pumpkins in there, but I don't know if they're being fertilised or anything yet. But we'll see what happens as the weeks go on. If we have to do it by hand and take off some of these leaves as well, so that the bees can go down into them and everything like that. So that's how much pumpkin patch is. My strawberries, got to cover these over because there were strawberries and it looked like something decided to come and help itself to them. I'll come round to the other side of this is that volunteer pumpkin. I'll show you if I can. That's it, going all the way up about 6 feet on that runner. Then it's got another runner here what's about 6 feet. I think my shadow's going to block it up. It's got another runner here, a shorter one which is about 4 foot. One here what's about another 4 foot, another 4 foot one there, and that one is the longest, which goes right up to here. So that's what's going on. See some little pumpkins. I don't know what these are though. I don't know what those are, but you know, that's how it's looking. So there's a lot of pollinators around, a lot of bees around. lot of little pumpkins around and everything, so we're getting there. And then every time I come I see these blue gloves and I have to move them. Right, so that's what's going on at the plot. Sorry it's a bit rough and ready, but my cameraman's not available today, so you know I just have to do everything myself. But I'm just hoping that these corns haven't bolted, because the straw, this is out early, and then these are thin. So I'm wondering what these were early corns, so I don't know if that's how they grow. And these ones are nice and green still. And the callaloo bed, nothing yet, but we'll see how it goes. You can see nice cucumber to harvest. I've got 2, so I'm going to harvest those before I go. So that's how everything's looking. So hope you enjoyed that one, although it's not up to the standard what I would like it, but you know, just to show you something. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave comments in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So you take care and have a great weekend. I'll let you know how everything went. I should be back on Monday, hopefully. So we'll see how it goes. So you take care until then.